Hey, this is Donnie out in Rogue River, Oregon. Up for sale is my early 77 Ford F-250 Highboy. It's got a fully rebuilt 400 with a comp cam and a 4-barrel Holly. She's a driver ready to go. All within the last couple of years, all this work has been done. Steering kit, the engine work, of course, that I just mentioned, tires, wheels, new exhaust. It's got all the chrome. It's got a new front windshield. I don't know, there's probably other stuff, but it'll be written down for you to see it somewhere. But anyways, I'll just do a walk around and a little test drive. This truck's a driver. It's not anything that's show worthy, but it's mechanically sound. Starts right up, cruises down the freeway, stops, shifts, goes in 4-wheel drive, gets looks all the time. It's really at a stage where you can just drive it as is, or make it your own, which I'm sure somebody will. It's a fantastic base. It's an automatic. So if you like automatics, fantastic. And it is a Ranger XLT, which is always a good one. And on top of that, it's got the air conditioning in it as well. Not working. I think the compressor needs replaced and updated, but everything's there. Body's pretty darn good. This bed rail here has a little dip to it. Right. I don't know if you can see it right in here. But anyways, it's not too shabby. Tailgate's a little rough. I've seen worse, seen better. But I just like that it's got all the chrome on it. It's got dual tanks. They both work. Those are new mags. Tires are 35 12.5s. Cooper Discover. Lots of tread. Probably less than 3,000 miles on them. It's got this old school slider. Rails are clear. This truck is rust hole free. And I don't even know if there's any surface rust anywhere. If there is, it's super minimal, but I love this chrome around the windshield. Inside's a little different. Somebody updated the panels with some wood panels, door panels. Seen better days, but it's nostalgic for some people. Got this bench seat. That's no tears. It's a little bit interesting of a color. Steering wheel horn is disconnected, but there is a button down here for the retro. All these gauges do work. Horn works. There's the gauges that show there's AC. Stereo kind of works. All the gauges that need to work. The speedo or this RPM gauge works half the time. Really needs replaced in my book. This thing is ready to go. All right, here's this side. Another door panel. Ranger XLT emblem. Front windshield's new. I think I said that. No rust. Everything is beautiful. Not even repaired rust. Okay, let's check out the engine. Okay, so like I said, this is a fully rebuilt 400 30 over with a comp cam and a 4-barrel Holly. And I have a steering kit that I've had installed, and all this work has been done by a classic car shop in the area. So far, everything that needs replaced has pretty much been replaced. That compressor needs to be updated, like I said. All right, let's start it up. This thing is cold, cold, cold. I've only been burning high test fuel in this thing. It's got a really cool sound. Not too loud, not too quiet. Purrs like a kitten. You can see the new steering comes all the way down in through here. New stabilizer. All right, let's take it for a drive. Now it is going to be a little bit of a noisy ride. Rubber in the doors. It's seen better days. Needs updated. You know, it's all hard. A lot of it's missing. But you're going to see this going to go down the road with ease. Slow it down. So let's see, as far as blinkers go, left blinker works when the headlights are off, but I don't think it does when they're on. Right blinker, okay, it's going. So when the headlights are off, blinkers seem to work all right. But I think when the headlights are on, my right blinker doesn't work. You can test that. Accurate those gauges are because I didn't install them, but I think they're fairly accurate. Enough of that. Gets up and goes. Okay, we got some pretty good speeds there. For the most part, uninterrupted video. Temperature gauge, good. Pressures are good, volts are good. Check out the lights here once I park. All right, let's see what we get for some lights. Left blinker's not working right now. Right blinker is. I can see it in the reflection of the garage. Nothing on the left. If I turn my lights on, do my blinker, right blinker works. Left one's not. So it looks like the left has an issue. Probably just a bulb or flasher. I don't know. A little too bright outside, but the dash lights are on. Inside light works. If I crack my door, works. You can see the lights are on in there. All right, just wanted to go over some of the items that have been rebuilt on this. So, like I said, it's got a rebuilt 400M engine. Fully rebuilt, 30 over. It's got a comp cam in there. And this was done August of 2021. and everything that was involved with removing the engine, putting it together. Got exhaust manifold, new spark plugs, steering pumps, power steering pump, power steering cap, head gaskets, blah blah, all this hoses, transmission fluid. Transmission went through, just did a service on it, and it was found to be a good transmission, so they serviced it with the filters, new fluid. Spent a lot of freaking money with this truck. The Holly carb is the Aluminum Street Avenger 0-83570. Brand spanking new. Had to get it back in and had some fuel hoses replaced. Use hot rod oil in it. It's gone through a lot of stuff. Axle seals were replaced. A lot more money was spent. Went through the brakes, replaced what was needed. Everything's good with that. That was done at the end of 2020. Wasn't that a fantastic year? The mags are US mags, and the tires are Cooper Discover. And I bought the wheels and tires October 2020. And not much use on them. The VIN number is F26 SR031027. And it's verified. It's a 4x4. It's an F-250. 133-inch wheelbase. The color of this truck originally is a silver metallic and a dark blue metallic, or midnight blue. Body is a Ranger XLT cab. The interior should have been a blue vinyl and blue cloth with an auto transmission, which it still has. And built in San Jose. And I do have a clean, clear title in my name, Oregon title. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know.